Introduction. The 365 Fury Funny Gifts for Men Dad is a delightful product that combines humor and sentimentality to bring a smile to any father's face. In this review, we will explore the benefits of this product and how it can make a meaningful and entertaining gift for fathers on any occasion. Unparalleled humor. The standout feature of this gift is its unparalleled humor. With 365 unique and witty quotes, jokes, and anecdotes, it ensures that laughter is a daily occurrence for dads. From clever one-liners to relatable dad humor, this gift is sure to bring joy and lightheartedness into the lives of fathers. It serves as a reminder of the importance of laughter and creating happy memories. Heartwarming sentiments. Beyond the humor, this gift also offers heartwarming sentiments. Amongst the comedic quotes, there are touching messages that express love, appreciation, and gratitude towards dads. These heartfelt words strengthen the bond between father and child, making this gift a touching tribute to the special role that fathers play in our lives. Daily reminder. The 365 Fury Funny Gifts for Men Dad serves as a daily reminder of the love and appreciation we have for our fathers. Each day, dads can flip to a new page and be greeted with a fresh dose of humor and affection. This daily ritual can brighten their mornings, bring a smile to their faces, and set a positive tone for the rest of the day. Versatile gift. This product's versatility is another benefit worth highlighting. It is suitable for various occasions, including Father's Day, birthdays, Christmas, or simply as a spontaneous gesture of appreciation. Its universal appeal ensures that it can be enjoyed by dads of all ages and backgrounds. Whether your father has a playful sense of humor or a more reserved demeanor, this gift is sure to bring joy. Durable design. The durability of this gift is commendable. It is made with high-quality materials that can withstand daily use and remain in pristine condition throughout the year. The sturdy construction ensures that each page can be flipped effortlessly, and the compact size allows for easy display on a desk, countertop, or nightstand. Conversation starter. This gift is not only amusing for fathers but can also spark conversations and create memorable moments with family and friends. The humorous quotes and jokes can initiate laughter-filled discussions and light-hearted banter, making it a fantastic icebreaker during family gatherings or social events. Conclusion. The 365 Fury Funny Gifts for Men Dad is a truly special and entertaining gift that combines humor and sentimentality. With its hilarious quotes, heartfelt messages, and durable design, it offers numerous benefits. This versatile gift serves as a daily reminder of love, appreciation, and the importance of laughter in our relationships. Whether for Father's Day or any other occasion, this product is sure to bring a smile to any father's face and create lasting memories.